John, we're very interested in all of the trends you're outlining for the different technologies and sectors. But I'm interested to know how you and other in Nicola Wealth and other investment advisors suss out the leaders within these sectors. And I'm thinking of people like Steve Jobs with Apple and Elan Musk for, you know, SpaceX and Tesla. These are people that are actually change agents. They're the entrepreneurs who go out on a limb, take a risk, and create. I can't figure them out. They're really brilliant, or they just have some magic. But they are equivalent to your technology explosions. You know, when you look at a technology, that's exciting, but they need leaders, and they need people to get out there in front and drag it along to take it somewhere. I'd like to know how you sort of differentiate between the leaders and the sectors, if you do. Thank you.
That's a very good question. And the answer is I don't, but I know people who do. I'm a generalist. I read a lot of this, a little of that, and I go out and see people, and I mean, I get invited to this and that. But I know people that drill down deep into industries, and they know those industries. And I think more, that's what I'm saying, more and more, you're going to want your active managers really focused on, you know, relatively smaller areas where they can drill down on their, you know, group. You got a team there, they can drill down on their 100 companies, and they can know where they're going to be long, where they're going to be short, who's, when management moves from one to the next, they want to know it. And I want to know who those people are. I don't have to follow it. The world's too big. You can't do everything. So you've got to find those management teams that can give you that active manager, which is, you know, what, I mean, you guys use other managers to put money with. I mean, there are very few wealth management companies. I don't know that I do not know of a wealth management company that only uses their own internal guys that has any size. I mean, unless they're, you know, you could be Millennium Funds. Well, hell, they've got 400 guys on their employee trading and working for them. So yeah, they could run $10, $15 billion, but it's spread out all over. So they don't go to outside managers because they hire everybody to come in. But there's not many guys like that, and you can't get in their fund because it's closed. You really do have to go to outside managers, and it's a very specialized world, learning to hire and fire specialized managers. It's tricky.